Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the goal for the steps on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And in the app, once you open it, you should see the health page. Now, you should see this today's steps bar right here. Tap on it. And on this page, you should see goal progress. And next to the goal progress, there should be this edit button. Tap on it. And right here, we can edit our goal for the steps by swiping left and right on the slider. And once you're done, you can tap on save to save the goal. As you can see, it updated in the app, and if we go to our watch, open the activities records, swipe down, it will be also updated on our watch. Okay, and that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.